The new Trend Workshop Router table is perfect for craftsmen and woodworking enthusiasts. It has a larger work surface compared with the Craft Pro router table and is also freestanding. It has all the features needed to maximize the versatility of all popular routers. It's suitable for edge molding, grooving, stopped molding, curved routing, and edge planing. Follow the step-by-step instruction manual to construct the rigid freestanding frame which supports a large laminated work surface. The feet are adjustable to cope with uneven floor surfaces. Foot-operated locking casters are available separately. The aluminium plate is drilled to suit trend-based configuration routers. The plate has a built-in, precise magnetic leveling facility. This ensures the material slides smoothly over the table surface. Here, the powerful and versatile Trend T11 router is being used. The table aperture can be changed by selecting an insert ring to suit the cutter diameter. The rings can be stored on this accessory hook. The back fence is easily assembled and quick to set up. It features fully adjustable sliding cheeks with a large 57mm diameter dust extraction spout. The Trend T35A extractor will extract the dust while cutting. The back fence can be easily positioned depending on the routing application. An adjustable top guard applies top pressure to the workpiece. Combined with the side pressure plate, it produces smooth, straight cuts safely and accurately. The no-volt release switch ensures the machine is safe in the event of a power failure. A push stick is included for safety, which can be stored away when not in use. The adjustable guided mitre fence can be used to support the workpiece. A sacrificial block can be fitted to avoid split out. The fence can also be stored away when not in use. The height adjustment access hole can be used with the Trend T11 router and the quick razor to adjust the height of the cutter. The quick razor can be stored on the back fence. A lead-on pin provides stability for bearing-guided applications, like this curved template for machining the frame of a mirror. It can also be stored behind the back fence. For edge planing, use the spacer rods which are stored in the back fence. The offset can be set to 1.4 or 2.4mm. The table has two holes through the surface to mount a user-made baseboard which can accept dovetail, mortise and tenon or other jigs. The new Trend Workshop Router table is a great choice for craftsmen and woodworking enthusiasts needing versatility and capacity.